Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can stop or delete your Meta ad campaign from your mobile phone. So you don't need any laptop or PC in order to run or stop Meta campaign. So you can do it on your mobile phone. So for that, first of all you have to open your App Store or Play Store and install this app Meta Ads Manager. When install this, you have to open this. When you open this, your ad campaign that you are already running will be seen here. You can see here. So here is at the top, you can see the total amount spent, all the detail you will get there. Now in order to just stop or delete your campaign, here you can see just front of campaign name, there are three dots. Click on these three dots. When you click on this, here you can see at the top the option called active, and at the front of active you can see the toggle option. You can turn it off or on. If you want to stop your campaign, you will turn it off and it will be stopped. Now if you want to delete your campaign, here you can see the option called delete. So just click on delete option and your campaign will be deleted. This is how you can do it from your mobile phone. Stop, run or delete your Meta ad campaign.